Hi there, 5th grade. Miss Carr here, practicing some more long division. This time we're actually going to do problems where you are dividing a number by a 2-digit number. It's very exciting. So let's look at the first problem here is 7,230 divided by 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put some numbers into my ratio table here first to kind of get me started so I know when I go to do my division I don't have to stretch my brain too much. So the numbers I am looking for is we're talking about groups of 30. So one group of 30 is 30, 10 is 300, and 100 is 3,000. And what was that number that we're trying to get to again? 7,230. I am not close yet, but I could do 200, which would get me 6,000. Oh, that feels closer. And 7,230, I'm going to write that up here just so I remember. 7,230. I'm getting closer. What if I did 5? How many is 5? Well, half of 10 is 5, so half of 300 is 150. And then I'm going to do maybe 2 groups, so I remember that 2 groups of 30 is 60, and 4 groups of 30 is 120. Okay, I am ready to do my long division. I've got some numbers here in my ratio table to help me out. All right, so 30 goes into 7,230. How many times to start? Well, we know it goes at least 200. Right, and I'm lining up my place values. So now I've got 6,000, and I'm going to subtract 0, 3, 2, 1. And so now my new number I'm looking for is how many times does 30 go into 1,230? And so I'm looking at my ratio table here, and I know that it goes at least 10 times is 300. Oh man, I wish I had looked at 20 times. 20 times would be 600, right? And if I did 40 times it would be 1,200. So I'm going to put 40 up here. 1,200, and I'm going to subtract 0, 3, 0, 0. Oh, and now I'm looking for how many times does 30 go into, right? 30. I'm going to get rid of these zeros because I don't need them. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say how many times does 30 go into 30? And I know that 30 goes into 30 one time. And now I'm going to take my numbers up here and add them to find the answer. And I know that the answer today for today's problem is 241.